Hey YouTube, Garage Boys here once again. So we're going to show you how to replace your airlift shocks for some gas charged shocks in your back window for a Ford Expedition. This would also work in a Navigator. Let me show you what we purchased and why we purchased it. Keep watching. Alright guys, so this is our gas charged shocks. They're made by ARANA. They're sold by ARANA on Amazon. I'm going to put the link in the description below. They have excellent reviews, great prices, and they ship with Amazon Prime. So I got them like a day and a half later. I bought him on a Monday, on a Saturday. I got him on a Monday. Very good delivery. Sold by ARANA. Very good reviews. You can check those out if you like him. Now the ones that I have, they're failing here and there, and they're air. They're not as dependable. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove them. I'm gonna show you how to take them off. We're just gonna use a flathead, and it's very simple. So just keep watching. Okay guys, so all you're gonna need is a flathead and somebody to hold the window for you, but obviously you know that by right now because you're replacing this. I'm gonna use pliers as well so I can show you what I'm gonna do. But what you have to do is this little metal piece right here. As you see this little hole, this little clip, it's a clip. You're gonna have to come in here and just poke it out just like that. I'm gonna use the pliers to hold it. It's a clip and it's gonna just jump out if you do it all the way. I'm gonna try and push it down. And if you push it down, you're able to remove the whole system just like that. If you do more, it's just gonna jump out. You can put it back again, but it's fine. Now hold the window up and you can pull this out just like that. You see? Very simple process. You can do it yourself. It's the same for the top one. If you come here to the side, let me show you. It's just a smaller clip, but it's the same thing. Just come in here and poke it out. Again, have somebody hold the window because it may come out after you remove this, but you can use your pliers or your flathead just like this and remove it. There you go. Now I can remove this whole thing, but the window, like I said before, is gonna come down. To replace it, the new part is the same process. You put it in there and then you push in the clips just like that. So it's a simple process. I hope you guys like this video. The product, it's very good. Check the link in my description and purchase it. Very good price, and like I said, shipping is amazingly fast. And if you don't have an Amazon account, I'm also gonna put a link so you can get a free trial for 30 days and you can try this out. Thanks for watching guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe.